Do you know how to find the number of blue blocks without counting? Do you still remember how we find the sum of a series of numbers? That will be our lesson today. In this example, we will be using 6 by 6 square units. Therefore, 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Paano nilang kaya kung meron tayong ibang color na nasa loob ng square? Paano tayo magbibilang? Gaya nito, meron tayong blue blocks sa loob ng area. Paano tayo magbibilang kung let's say 1,000 and 1,000 of blocks ang meron sa loob ng area? Di tayo pwedeng mag 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. You still remember how we sum up a series of numbers? Pareho lang ito. For this example, we have 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 times 3 is equal to 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. There are 6 blue blocks. Dahil ang fraction ang hinahanap, ang blue ay merong 6 over 36 while red has 30 over 36. Alam natin na 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, 12 over 36 ang para sa blue at ang para sa red naman ay 36 minus 12 is equal to 24 red blocks. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat date ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.
Opo, libre po. Sa panahon ngayon, wala na po atang katulad ng IVFC na matiyagang nagtuturo ng walang bayad. Kaya salamat po kay Sir Edward Agdepa, ang mentor ng mga kids ng IVFC, sa paglinang ng kanilang kaalaman sa panahon ng pandemya. Patuloy pa po silang tumatanggap ng mga estudyante na willing pong matuto ng walang bayad.
The last but not the least, the top one in junior category, Zach Harvey. Gordula. IVFC Kids, congratulations! Ipagpatuloy ang nasimulan at huwag hihinto habang walang ginto. For parents who are interested with our program, kindly search on our FB page called IVFC Info page. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Join po kayo